What I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a set of like sheepskin gloves. These things look awesome. This is from the company Alepo, I think. Alepo is how you would say that. And this is their winter essentials line. And let's just open them up. They came in this little bag right here. It's like a little vacuum sealed bag, or like a little Ziploc bag that's sealed in the middle. And let's just check them out. And I took them out and looked over them and checked them out, and they feel amazing. Like I said, they are 100%, they are sheepskin. Let's just look over them here. 100% sheepskin, and the inside is cashmere lined, and that feels extremely premium. This is like good driving gloves, wintertime gloves. I wanted something, you know, that would kind of like, just for like when it gets kind of really cold out and I don't use my heated gloves. It's more of an in-between, and they feel true to size. I wear an extra large glove, and these fit perfectly. They looks like they have stitching down through there to add strength to them. But don't these things look good? These things look good. This looks like something out of like a mobster movie or something. I love the way these things feel. They have you can tell they have a smell, like a very leathery smell to them, and I actually like that very premium smell. I like how they did that stitching right there in the glove, the finger where the thumb is. It's actually a different like section off, so that way you've got no strain. You know how you ever open your hands with some gloves and it feels like there's something holding it? Look at that. There's no strain on the glove itself, and they're very shiny looking too. So I will be wearing these amongst my travels when I want a good premium glove when it's cold outside, because it's getting a lot colder out here. And let's just kind of like look over that lining one more time. Cashmere lining looks amazing and feels amazing. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got today on the sheepskin cashmere lined Alepo winter line. Check that out. Fashion, modern, and classic. See y'all in the next video. Woo!